Some leaders join when everything is perfect.
Jaideep joined when belief had to be rebuilt.
And slowly, one step at a time, and things changed.
Website changed.
The learner journey improved. The LMS became stronger.
Courses expanded.
Partnerships grew.
India became the starting point, not the boundary.
With JD, one idea rarely stays as one idea.
A small discussion can become a platform.
A quick meeting can become a strategy.
And when he says, let's explore this, we know something new is coming. Sometimes before we know what it is.
Medvarsity became bigger than a website.
Bigger than courses.
Bigger than numbers.
Healthcare education became impact.
Not just business,
Not just learning.
but lives touched through knowledge.
What is the impact? Think long term. Let's build this.
Knowledge changes lives.
Medvarsity is not a company.
It's an organization built to last.
Simple usually means not simple.
One more thought means one more project.
A quick update is never too quick.
And let's do it properly means the deadline is serious. But somehow we always learn something.
Jaideep, you did not just build platforms.
So you build confidence.
You build ambition.
You build purpose. And you've helped many of us grow and blossom. Through the highs, the lows, through the launches, and the deadlines.
And the impossible ideas.
And thank you for keeping Medvarsity moving forward.
Congratulations on 10 years at Medvarsity.
Congratulations on 10 years at Medvarsity.
Thank you, Gerald Jaideep. Congratulations on 10 years.